In this video, we will be doing two Crook problems, which involve parallel lines. So here we go. In each figure below, lines L and M are parallel. Solve for X. We have one easier one, one slightly harder one. So the way you attack these things is you put another parallel line in here, and then we see if this is 135, then this is 45, because 135 plus 45 adds up to 180. If this is 160, this is 20, because again, we get 180. Now, alternate interior angles of parallel lines are congruent. So if this is 45, this is 45 as well. If this is 20, this is also 20. So x equals 45 plus 20, which is 65 degrees. Next, we go to here. This one is slightly harder, but it's the same process. We're going to put a parallel line in there, and then we're going to put one in right there. So now, if this is 20 degrees, alternate interior angles of parallel lines, this is 20 as well. If this is 50, then this is 50. Now, if this is 20 and the entire angle is 30, then this right here will be 10 degrees. And again, from alternate interior angles of parallel lines, if this is 10, then this is 10 as well. So then x is 10 plus 50, which is 60 degrees. And that is Crook problems. They're all pretty much the same once you know how to do them. Do this one several times and you'll have it.